I'm Sinat, and welcome back to Learn English Grammar. In the previous lessons, you studied about verb to be in present simple. And in this lesson, you are going to study about present simple with other verbs. And in this lesson 5, we focus on the positive forms of present simple. Before we start our lesson, please look at the examples here first. They are the correct positive sentences of present simple. And look at each pair of the sentences. Do you see any differences between them? ឥឡូវយើងមកមើលប្រយោគស្របរបស់ present simple ទាំងនេះសិនតើប្រយោគទាំងនេះមានលក្ខណៈខុសគ្នាដូចម្តេចខ្លះ Okay. Here, with subject I, and we use verb infinitive, get up infinitive, have verb infinitive, brush verb infinitive. With subject she, he, she, we use verb get with s, we use has, and brush v-a-e-s. So here it means that there are two positive forms in present simple. ប្រយោគទាំងនេះខុសគ្នាត្រង់ថានៅពេលយើងប្រើ subject I and we យើងប្រើកិរិយាសព្ទដើម which is get up, have, and brush ជាមួយនឹង subject she, he, she គឺកិរិយាសព្ទមាន time s ហើយ has យើងប្រើ has ជាមួយនឹង he ហើយ brush គឺយើង time es brushes ដូច្នេះមានន័យថានៅក្នុង present simple មានទម្រង់ស្របពីរទម្រង់ Okay, so it means there are two forms, there are two positive forms in present simple. Now let's look at the first form. With the subject pronouns I, you, we, they, and plural nouns like my sisters with s, so it is plural noun. Lisa and Nari, two people, so it is plural noun. And my children, it's about from two people up, from two children up. Okay, so it is plural noun. So with them, we use verb infinitive. ជាមួយនឹងសព្វនាម are you we they ហើយនឹងនាម plural នាមពហុវចនៈគឺសំដៅលើនាមដែលមានចំនួនចាប់ពី2ឡើងទៅជា sister មាន s ចឹងមានន័យថា sister នឹងចាប់ពី2នាក់ឡើងទៅ Lisa and Mary មនុស្ស2នាក់ Okay, my children គឺមិនចាប់ពី2នាក់ឡើងទៅគឺយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង verb infinitive ដែលមានន័យថាកិរិយាសព្ទដើមកិរិយាសព្ទដើមគឺកិរិយាសព្ទដែលរក្សានៅទម្រង់ដើមដោយអត់មានតន់ថែមអ្វីឲ្យកិរិយាសព្ទនោះទេ Okay. Now let's learn to read the example. I eat breakfast at school. ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកនៅឯសាលា You go on Facebook too often. អ្នកលេង Facebook ច្រើនពេកហើយ Okay, go on Facebook លេង Facebook. You don't say play Facebook, alright? យើងអត់និយាយថា play Facebook ទេយើងនិយាយថា go on Facebook. ចឹង you go on Facebook too often. អ្នកលេង Facebook ច្រើនពេកហើយ We finish school at 11 o'clock. ពួកយើងចេញពីរៀននៅម៉ោង11 They have lunch at home. ពួកគេញ៉ាំអាហារពេលថ្ងៃនៅផ្ទះ My sisters eat breakfast at school. Sister របស់ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកនៅឯសាលារៀន Lisa and Nari go to school by motorbike. Lisa ហើយនឹង Nari ពេលទៅរៀនជិះម៉ូតូទៅ Okay. My children have lunch at school. កូនរបស់ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលថ្ងៃនៅឯផ្ទះ So everyone with pronouns I, you, we, they, and plural nouns Here we use verb infinitive. Look at the second form. With pronouns he, she, it, or singular nouns like my sister here, only one sister, Lisa, only one Lisa, my child, I mean only one child. So they are all singular nouns. We use them with verb s, es, or ies. ជាមួយនឹងសព្វនាម he, she, it ឬក៏នាម singular ដូចជា my sister នេះគឺ sister ម្នាក់ Lisa ម្នាក់ my child កូនម្នាក់ okay singular noun គឺនាមឯកវចនៈគឺសំដៅលើនាមដែលមានចំនួនតែម្នាក់អញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹងកិរិយាសព្ទដែលបញ្ចប់ដោយ s, es ឬក៏ ies ដូចជា it យើងថែម s, go យើងថែម es and carry here it ends in ies វាបញ្ចប់ដោយ ies okay mops with s go es yeah, carry ies អញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ subject he, she, it និង singular noun គឺយើងអត់អាចប្រើ verb infinitive បានទេគឺយើងដាច់ខាតថែម s, es ឬក៏ ies ឲ្យកិរិយាសព្ទទាំងអស់នោះ alright now let's learn to read the examples together. He eats lunch at home. គាត់ញ៉ាំបាយថ្ងៃនៅឯផ្ទះ She goes on Facebook too often. គាត់លេង Facebook ច្រើនពេកហើយ It carries heavy stuff for me. វាដឹកអីវ៉ាន់ធ្ងន់ៗឲ្យខ្ញុំវានេះគឺសំដៅលើដូចជាសត្វណាសត្វសេះឬក៏គោឬក៏សត្វអូត okay My sister mops the floor every morning. បងស្រីរបស់ខ្ញុំជូតផ្ទះជូតឥដ្ឋរៀងរាល់ព្រឹក Lisa goes to school by motorbike. Lisa ជិះម៉ូតូទៅរៀន My child carries a big backpack to school. កូនរបស់ខ្ញុំស្ពាយកតាបធំណាស់ទៅរៀន So remember everyone for pronouns he, she, it and singular nouns.Don't forget to add s, es, or res to the verb. Alright? But how do we know when we add s to the verb and when we add es to the verb and we add res to the verb? ប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលណាយើងដឹងថាយើងត្រូវថែម s ឲ្យកិរិយាសព្ទហើយពេលណាយើងថែម es ហើយពេលណាយើងថែម res. Okay? So now let's look at this.នេះគឺសំដៅលើនៅពេលដែលយើងប្រើជាមួយ subject he, she, it ឬក៏ singular noun okay with subject he, she, it and singular noun verb add s, es and es so for number 1 we add es so when do we add es to the verb just look at this when the verbs end in ch, sh, x, o, double s we add esសម្រាប់កិរិយាសព្ទដែលបញ្ចប់ដោយ ch watch ch អញ្ចឹងយើងថែម es okay sh brush sh អញ្ចឹងយើងថែម es x so we add es here o so we add es double s so past double s so we add es all right For number 2, for verbs ending in a consonant plus y, delete y and add res. សម្រាប់កិរិយាសព្ទដែលបញ្ចប់ដោយព្យញ្ជនៈបុកនឹងអក្សរ y ព្យញ្ជនៈនឹងអក្សរ y okay look at the example here dy d គឺព្យញ្ជនៈហើយ y okay all y all គឺព្យញ្ជនៈ and then yអញ្ចឹងកិរិយាសព្ទដែលបញ្ចប់ដោយព្យញ្ជនៈនឹង y ព្យញ្ជនៈនឹង y បែបហ្នឹងគឺយើងលុប y ហើយយើងថែម res alright okay number 3 verbs ending in vowel plus y add s កិរិយាសព្ទនេះចាប់ដោយអក្សរ y ដែរប៉ុន្តែនៅពីមុខអក្សរ y គឺស្រៈ a គឺស្រៈ there are 5 vowels in English language right we have A, E, I, O, U. ដូច្នេះកិរិយាសព្ទដែលបញ្ចប់ដោយអក្សរដោយស្រៈជាមួយនឹងអក្សរ y ស្រៈអក្សរ y គឺយើងថែមតែ s ទេអត់លុប y ទេគឺយើងថែមតែ s okay number 4 for verb have we change to has សម្រាប់កិរិយាសព្ទ have យើងគ្រាន់ដូរវាទៅ has យើងអត់ថែមអីទេតែយើងដូរវាតែម្ដងហើយក្រៅពីក្រុមកិរិយាសព្ទខាងលើអូខេក្រៅពីក្រុមកិរិយាសព្ទខាងលើហ្នឹងគឺយើងថែម s ទាំងអស់ដូចជា talk we add s start s make s all right everyone we have come to the end of our lesson about the positive form of present simple and now let's look at your homework. This is your homework and you are going to fill in the gap using the positive form of present simple. You have to be careful, right? We know that we have learned that there are two positive forms. We have group are, you, we, they and plural noun, and we have group he, she, it and singular noun. So you have to be careful. And you also must be careful with number 6 and number 12 because here we have verb to be. Okay, please do it and we will check the answers in the next lesson. All right, we have finished the positive forms of present simple with other verbs. And in the next lesson, you are going to study the negative forms of present simple. All right? Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. អរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានចូលមើលវីដេអូនេះ and សូមកុំភ្លេចចុចទៅពាក្យ subscribe ហើយនឹងរូបកណ្ដឹងផងហើយយើងនឹងជួបគ្នានៅមេរៀនលើកក្រោយទៀត See you in the next lesson everyone.